Guys, Cars Across Texas here today, and we are hopping in the 2021 Camaro SS1LE, taking it to the first actual meet that I've taken this car to. We did go get a little bit of Mexico action in it last night, so it is a little bit dirty, but don't mind that. We're on the way. The color is popping in the sunlight, and we're going to get on to Tomball for a Houston car meets event for the 4th of July. I think they're going to have a lot of American cars, fireworks, all that good stuff. So without further ado, remember, shop Cars Across Texas, ends of the pub gets you 20% off on your purchase at checkout, and let's get on the road. Not exactly a cold start, but there we go.
Sorry, I didn't know you were ready.
You hit yourself in the face?
Oh, that should hurt.
Oh no, you okay?
Oh, my nose.
You okay?
Well, there we have it. First injury in this car. And then I have my dad in the back. About his car. It's a Camaro, so I win.
Yeah.
No, but I really like it. I like the color. You don't really see this color a lot. You see like that specific avocado lime green. This is like highlighter green, highlighter yellow. I like the matte black, but it gives it that little pizzazz or that little chef kiss there. And then you can do a lot with it. Like, I'm just curious what he'll do. Hopefully sorry, I'm like dyslexic when I talk. Hopefully he makes it loud. That's all I want. Loud popping noises. But overall, I really do like the car. It runs smooth, good color. Probably would be easier to be caught.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about pulls without melody in the car?
I like it. I miss it. Oh my god. Yeah, I miss it. Like the times on the vet, it would scare the shit out of me. I'm recording. Are you excited?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
He called me sir. I'm so sad. My lock screen. Dude, I love this color. Oh god. Did you hear my dad? He's like... I'm just recording stupid shit.
Can y'all get out over there?
I can. My dad can.
Alrighty, boys, we are earlier than basically everybody else here, but we have found ourselves parked in the VIP with the bright green SS1LE next to a friend. We got another 6.5 gen SS1LE here, looking good. He's got the beadlocks out back though, so he got money. You can't hide that. So we got a little single cab Tiffany blue Ram here, but the perplexing part about this is it's a Hemi, but they got LSX Media on their window. Odd. We got the puppy. Hello, my friend. You are so beautiful. Look at this thing. Whew. That thing is quite nice. I like that a lot. Color's good. Car is just totally clean through and through. That color's pretty damn nice on this Challenger over here. This is the color I almost wrapped the GTR in, actually. Same exact color. Almost went for it, but sold it before I ended up going for it. And then behind him, we got the big boy Bronco. Got the Mopar boys rolling in. Little Charger action on some Verada wheels. And behind him we got the wide body Hellcat on the Rucci forged with the floating center caps just a spinning. Alrighty, my boy. We got a largely carbon fiber wide body vet pulling in on a drag pack. Sounded good. Oh man, that thing looks crazy. We got some American cars rolling in. Proud to be American. Crowds love him. Tell us your secret. Alrighty, over here we got the turbo Camaro, the turbo 5th gen. The boys making it in. That thing looks crazy. Maybe I just need to do me a single turbo on the Camaro now. That looks quite wild. A little smoke show wide body Charger. Oh, I like the stripes. There's like a gray and red pinstripe on it. It's kind of cool, but I am lazy and I have sat my butt right here. La Mamalonaca and the Nuevo Leon plates on the Forgiatos. Yes, sir. El que. He probably spent more on the wheels than he did for the truck. Boys rolling in wide body Hellcats.
He's also missing 2 lug nuts.
Medusa. Little Scadius Packius. Oh, it's a nice Mach 1. That is very, very nice. I like that quite a bit. We get another 5.0 after him. Looking good. Super tinted windows. This CTS-V is clean as a whistle boy. Look at this. I don't know what color this is, but it looks super good with the red accents, red brakes, all that good stuff. The black wheels set it off quite nicely. I don't know what the setup is on it, but it looks good. I'm sure it sounds even better. I am so unoriginal. We got another facelifted 6th gen 1 LE, but at least I'm in a crazy color.
My dad,
the old school boy rolling out, looking so good, so minty and clean. Damn, son.
Pissed off me.
that's what I thought it was.
We got the choppy boy. He's doing the converter twerk. I think it's pretty damn spicy. Quite nice if I do say so myself. Got a little Boss 302 pulling up for the boys. Looking good. What a combination. We got Boss 302s and we got pictures of Sprite. We got the single turbo 5th gen pulled up and parked up next to your boy. Maybe we just do a single turbo. That'd be pretty crazy to be looking like this. Shredder, you are slightly pink.
He was all pink.
Got a nice little wide body Hellcat. Looking good.
The only exception.
Those wheels are crazy. The Mod Effects crew rolling in. So we got Shredder, who rides motorcycles. He leans with it, leans with the curves. There we go, professional rider Shredder. We got the twin turbo Mustang here. Back on his regular wheels, he is taking the parachute off, and he's got a dick on the bumper. Drop him a follow. This is the most Sweet Home Alabama thing I think I've ever seen in my entire life. We have an early 2000s Yukon XL that I think is a fusion between two of them because now it has 6 doors. What the hell? This is incredible. I don't know what the hell is happening here, but I love it. I'm so 110% in support of this.
Can we get it?
Yes.
Our new
Sweet Home Alabama. Look at the old truck, the old Troca. We got the supercharged Fox bodied the red bastard over here, looking crazy. Look how nice this color is on this M3. We got the Shakir orange M3. Exhaust, all that stuff, looking good. We got the old Ford gang over here. Looking good. The old Ford gang rolling deep, brothers. I love when they got the model truck of their actual truck inside the truck. It's Truckception. And a Z06. And an F100 with a center pipe.
Okay, red, white, and blue. Blue, black, and
We gotta get the puppy. Hello, my friend. Oh my goodness. Hello. Do you smell my Frenchie? Polo? Hello, Polo. Oh my goodness.
oh no, you're smelling.
Oh yeah, definitely no McGriddles for you, Polo. Oh my goodness.
Sound like a Camaro.
Hey man, just because you got the lights on top doesn't mean you can get VIP for anything less than 40 bucks. There's no officer discount.
I want that.
Oh my God. Oh my God, brother. We got the fast boy rolling through. Okay. Just on a street tire, hood exits, you know, all that stuff. This is a funky wrap. It reminds me of like a melted icy. We got the homie Vetty White rolling in. Man, I can't talk today, boys. I'm tired. But Vetty White rolling in, the show car. Looking crazy. Alrighty, boys, I'm exhausted. I think we're gonna head out and get home in the brand new car purchase. There's some pretty cool stuff here. Got to bring out the Camaro. It's the first actual car meet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video though. Remember, shopcarsacrosstexas.com. Enter the puppets 20% off. Get your shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Support the channel, support the build. Let's get on home. I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace. Got a matte gray Turbo S. This thing is crazy.
That's like a matte green too.
Is it green or is it gray? It's from Massachusetts.
Watch out. Wow.
Cop.
Oh God, Drew. Oops. You can't really see, but they're searching that box truck there. And there's like 4 or 5 cops and then 2 tow trucks here ready to go.